particular instances in your life, in your job, that trigger you. What you need to be aware of is that these are repeating. You have to make a decision whether you're going to let them repeat or you're going to do something about it. The choice is actually up to you. Because if you do something about it, you're improving your character, because life is about dealing with pressure. Thank you very much. The brain pays attention to the language it understands because it doesn't have to think. It just reacts. Really important in a negotiation. We've learned a lot about what a high-performing salesperson is. It's continuous improvement and the ability to actually execute under pressure. All hallmarks of a high-performance person. Thank you. Thank you.